Welcome to our second video. We are going to look at how we can set up our organization or company. We shall see how we can add organizational profile by adding few organizational details that we shall find on our Zoho Books. 2, we shall add locations if it's applicable. 3, we shall add our PDF templates, customization, and 4, email preferences. However, in case of any additions that we shall find on Zoho Books, we shall still pay attention to it and work on it accordingly. So let's get into it. Well, before we get into setting up of our organization and putting in all those organizational details, I'd like to take you back to an email that we received, that you receive, to an email that you receive from the Zoho team. Now, this email will lead you to verify and confirm your account so that you're able to record invoices and track your transactions. So once you have confirmed and verified your account, it will then open to a new tab where you're able to access and set up your organization according to your preferences. So now, like we had said, the first thing we're going to do is to add an organizational profile. So to do this, you come to your settings icon, which is at the top right corner of your Zoho book screen. Once you click on it, it will bring quite a number of features in Zoho Books. So you come to organization that will lead you to your profile. So you click on profile. In your profile, there's a in your profile you have a provision where you can add your company logo, your organization name, the industry, the location of your organization, and the best currency that you're going to use, the fiscal year, the report basis, accrual or cash, but you shall use accrual basis, the time zone, the date format, the company ID, the label name, that you would want to actually use. So once you're done with that, you come and save in the details that you have put in. So there are quite a number of items under our organization, as you can see at the left side of your panel of your Zoho Books. We have the profile, we have the branding, we have the custom domain, we have currencies, we have the locations, approvals, opening balances, and managing of our subscription. Something small about the management of subscription is that what we are using right now is a free version of Zoho Books, like I had mentioned, which runs for 14 days. However, when you now want to actually use Zoho Books an accounting software for your organization, you have to purchase it according to the different plans that will be available to you by Zoho Books, which of course come at a cost. So this is how you can. That is where you'll be able to identify those plans that Zoho Books gives you, and the cost that comes with them. So now we shall go to our location. You can add in your location where necessary. And if you're new to Zoho Books, it will bring a blank space that will allow you to enable your location. So once you've enabled your location, there will be a default page or a different location, which is a head office that we have right here. But in cases whereby you have in cases where you have more than one location, let's say you run a business or your business runs on a decentralized basis, that means you have different offices in different parts of the country or different areas of the world. You come and add location. So you click on add location and fill in the details according to what Zoho Books has identified necessary for cases of extra locations. But for learning purposes, we shall use one location, which is a head office, in case of any need that will require us to come and add an extra location. We shall come back, provided that we now know where to get it from. So the next we shall look at is our PDF templates, where we shall get it on our customization. You still go back to settings and then you look for customization, and then you find the PDF templates. So these PDF templates will have various templates that contains the quotations, invoices, sales receipts, credit notes, payments, and many other templates, as you can see here. But for learning purposes, we shall use our invoice, and as you can see, that Zoho Books provides a quite provides you with a template, a standard template that you can actually just use to see how you would want your invoice to actually appear. In case you would want to create a template for your own, there is a provision right next to this standard template where you can create your own template. But we shall use this template here. So you can, once you click on it, you come and edit the logo that will appear there. You come and include in the details of your, you come and edit it according to the preference. So you can come and select a theme color from right up here. Maybe you can use blue. You can use blue. And then as you can see, there are very many other settings at the right side of your screen for Zoho Books that will require you to edit any other kind of editions that you'd want on how in regards to how your template for your invoices can appear. So we have the standard template, and the header or footer, you can edit it. You can edit the backup. You can, maybe you'd want your invoice to appear with a background image of your business or your company. You can put maybe the logo behind in your QuickBooks, which will appear at the back end of your invoice. And center the image, and then the background color. Transaction details, you also do the same. Logo size, you can reduce the size of the logo, maybe just reduce on the size of the logo right up here, reduce it or increase it. So you can reduce, you can just resize it, and then see according to our preferences. Organizing the address format, you can click in there and it will, you can organize the, you can find a way of how you'd want to organize your, the format of your organization. We have the customer details. You can, if you'd want your customer detail shipments to be to appear on your invoice, you will click on it and it will, the details will also appear here once you refresh the page, but we shall do away with that. And then document details, like the number field, the date, the terms reference, the subjects. Document copy, maybe you'd want different documents, like maybe you'd want to have the bank details appear on your invoice. Perhaps you'd like to have the signature appear on your invoice. You come and you come to the document and you indicate it there. So Zoho Books provides you with quite a number of edits that you need for your for your invoice or for your templates. So we also have the table where you can come and add and remove certain things. Maybe you can do away with a discount. Click here to preview and see how it will actually change. And then total in case of anything and other details. So once you are done with this, you also come and save in your work, your template. In case of any other things that will need to be changed, you can also come back and change your template for your invoice, and it's very easy, as you have already seen. So we shall proceed and save that, and in case of any changes, we can come back and change. And like we see here, there are very many other templates. We have the sales receipts, we have the credit notes, the payment receipts. All these can be set from here. You can clone them so that they are stuck, so that they remain the same. So we are going to close this, and then we shall look at the last thing on our second video, which is our email preferences. So we shall just go back and look for where we can get our email preferences. So we see here we have reminders and notifications. So we want to check on our email notifications. So you can see here that the email preferences, we have the sender email preferences, we have the email insights, quite a number of them. But we have said we want to look at the sender email preferences and see. So QuickBooks will provide you with these details, and you can see emails are sent through email addresses of Zoho Books. So you can come and choose a new sender in case you want to have a new sender, And still Zoho Books will give you that reward to choose or to change. So this is where you get your email preferences and you set them. If in case you want to add a new sender, you send. In case you want to remain the sender of the emails to like your different customers or different clients, you will also do the same. So this comes to the end of our video for the end of our video for Zoho Books for this particular section, which is the second one. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope you're enjoying the process.